back to my channel. It's really lovely to have you here once again. My name is Ada. If this is your first time here, I'm wearing this two-piece linen outfit. I'm going to show you the full view of it in a minute. But yeah, I have my makeup done, just something simple, everyday sort of makeup. I have lovely videos on how to achieve this sort of makeup on my channel. So let's jump right into the video and just stick around till the end because there's lots of interesting bits and bobs coming up on today's video. I got here 2 boxes of fragrance, and these have been sent to me by Dossier. So Dossier is a perfume company. They are known for recreating designer fragrances and making them at affordable prices. So one. So this is what the packaging is like. I really love the way the color pops from inside. This is the aromatic star anise, and this one is inspired by Dior Sauvage. The top notes here are bergamot, pepper, and star anise. I'm going to keep this aside, and then let's open up this one. This is the second one, the same bottle, quite similar, simple and yet elegant. Twist up and then it goes back on magnetically. That's quite convenient, I would say. So this is the woody sandalwood one, and this one is inspired by Santo 33 by Lenovo. Top notes here are violet leaves and cardamom. Don't forget to check out the Dossier website where you find a host of other fragrances. On the website you find both designer impressions as well as their own unique scents. These fragrances, as you can see, the packaging is quite good. The bottle is elegant and luxury looking, so they are perfect for gifting. I'm going to go ahead and spray this on, and so yeah, let's smell these fragrances. So I'm going to spray this now and see what it's giving. My first impression of it is that it's a basic scent. It smells like what I already have in my collections already. It does smell good, that this is something like it's mild and this is rich. It's really rich. I think it's a bit of a unisex sort of scent. I really do love this. It's subtle, it's a bit subtle. It's something that you can wear on everyday basis. It's lovely what this is giving us. This is nice. I think that I prefer this one, the sandalwood. The woody sandalwood I think that this is the one that I actually prefer. But yeah, this is really lovely. Thank you, Dossier, for sending this fragrance out to me. I'm going to keep testing them. I'm going to actually wear it out on my day and see how long you wear it. videos, alright?